Zapier is the master of all trades when it comes to connecting two different apps. To integrate Zapier, go to the WordPress admin panel. Go to the Modules dashboard of Fluent Forms Pro menu. Scroll down to Zapier and enable it. Open up the form you want Zapier integrated with. Go to the Settings and Integrations. Select Zapier from the sidebar and click on the Add Webhook button on the right. Name your Zapier feed, and you will be asked a webhook URL. Log into your Zapier account. Click on the Make a Zap button. Click on the webhooks and select Catch Hook on the next page. Copy the generated URL and paste it on the webhook URL field in the WP Fluent Forms dashboard. Enable conditional logic if necessary. Save notification. For more plugin updates and awesome tutorials, subscribe to our YouTube channel. And don't forget to hit that bell icon.